Greetings to all. This is Ananya Jain of Class 8 from BLS International School, Hathras. Today, I would be participating in the program of AWS Young Builders Challenge. So, I would be sharing my views on the topic how can artificial intelligence change the future of India with context to agriculture. Artificial intelligence is a kind of intelligence demonstrated by the machine which help them how to function, whereas agriculture is kind of practice from which we can make ourselves fulfill our need, like for food, feed, shelter and other things. And when we mix it and search it, we would find that artificial intelligence has done many of the things on the field of agriculture and in development, many of the things. But we can do many things with the help of artificial intelligence in the field of agriculture. Artificial intelligence is a very good and effective way for every field. In agriculture, we can do many things, like as we know that there are two types of farming, subsistence farming and commercial farming. A subsistence farmer uses other traditional methods, whereas a commercial farmer uses the new technological method. And we have to implement, or we can say we can make the people aware with new of the technology with help of AI, that both the commercial farmer and a subsistence farmer can afford it. And as the AI technology is one of the newest technology, and newest technology is having many of the ways, so I have many of the ideas for this thing. So first of all, I chose that in USA, other countries, and just for a stake, we can say that in USA the people send their samples of fields of their farms to laboratories for the checkup. In India, this is not followed much. Many of the ideas are there to fulfill it. You would be seeing in the upcoming PPT.
Though we know that AI is one of the effective things, and best example for this is robot. In USA farms, the samples are sent by farmers to laboratories for the checkup. It states that soil is fertile or whatever the things are needed in the farm, whereas this is not much followed in India, but it should be, because farms are one of the most important thing and it should be kept good. For this purpose, we can do things that we can generate a artificially developed computerized doctor, or with the help of artificial intelligence, which would take sample by itself and check it and fulfill all the needs on the daily basis and fulfill requirement. As our farm needs manure and fertilizer, so it can also do a thing that it can provide the farm with all the manure and fertilizers needed, and on the day if it would check that it would be suitably providing the plant with the perfect manure and perfect fertilizer. Weeds. The unwanted plants grow along with the plants are one of the major problem of farmer. So what we can do, we can generally develop small units along with voice sensor and detecting sensor, which would help it to recognize that weed is growing and it stop the growing of the weed. And when a single cell of that weed would grow, it can alert us from the growing of weed. There are many more ideas from which artificial intelligence can help to make the agriculture more effective.
There are many more things from which we can make agriculture more effective with the help of AI and other fields too. Thank you so much of AWS Young Builders Challenge to giving me chance to step. Thank you.